ये मौसम की बारिश, ये बारिश का पानी, ये पानी की बूंदे तुझे ही तो ढूंढे, ये मिलने की ख्वाहिश, ये ख्वाहिश पुरानी हो पूरी तुझी से मेरी ये कहानी।
This is the main ingredient used in Kolkata street food. So you can store this in airtight container, and whenever you make in chaat or any kind of fuchkas, golgappes, you can use this bhaja masala. And now the recipe for ghugni, Kolkata street food ghugni. When the masala releases oil, at that time, now it's perfect time to add the mutton keema. You can use your chicken keema too, or you can use soybean keema, or you can make it plain without using any type of keema or mutton or chicken or soybean. Cook it till the mutton is cooked. It will take round about 10 to 15 minutes to cook the mutton. And now add the boiled yellow mutton or yellow peas here. I have chopped here some onions, some coriander leaves and some chilies. In this monsoon, do try this for evening snacks, and it's a yummy thing to have. And now my ghugni is done. Now it's time to serve. While I serve, I have just served like the way they serve in the street. So in small bowls I'm going to serve this, and on top I'm going to garnish this with some onions, a teaspoon of tamarind pulp on top, and some coriander leaves chopped and some green chilies, and on top I'm going to add the bhaja masala which we have made earlier, and sprinkle this on top, and your street style ghugni is ready to serve. Do try this and let me know in the comment section how did you like it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So stay tuned for my next video. Enjoy the monsoon. Bye bye. Take care.